Welcome to the Sunshine State, a land of cultural heritage, rich in human and natural resources, a land of peace, a land of honey with education as a pride. Let's join hands to make the Sunshine State a peaceful, habitable place for all and generations unborn. My Sunshine State, land of pride. The journey to the top begins with a single stride. So it is when Olofin began the tortuous climb to Idore Hill. He took off hurriedly on a giant stride due to leadership squabble over the stool of his father after the demise of Oduduwa, his brother. He defiled all natural encumbrance, and with a resolute mien, he marched on to Idore. Well, I don't intend to bore you with the challenges of Olofin's experiences. Please come along with me to Idore as I unfold the story of the legendary Olofin.